Well, come to the Yoga Salon Sri Lanka. Today we are going to practice simple yoga flow for beginners. Grab your mat. Let's begin. Raise your hands toward the sky and bend forward. Again, raise your hands toward the sky and bend forward. Last time, raise your hands toward the sky and bend forward. Keep your palms parallel to your legs while bending your knee. Jump one step back to come Parvadasana. Then, start to walk. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep your legs on the shoulder gap. Touch your right ankle with your left palm. Try to look up. Go with simple breathing and breath out. Then, change to the other side too. Touch your left ankle with your right palm. Go with simple breathing and breath out. Relax while giving the weight of your palms and toes. Come to Chaturanga Dandasana. Keep your knee in the mat, giving weight to your palmsa. Raise your upper body up to come upward, facing the dog. Go with simple breathing and breath out. Now, raise yours, but up to come, downward facing dog. Then, keep your knees on the mat. Sit on the soles of your feet. Come to Sasakasana. Relax. Then, give your weight to palm. Raise your butt up. Slowly stretch your upper body forward. Look up. Then, roll your stomach. Come to cat and cow pose. Then, walk 4 steps forward. Keep your chest between your palms. Your arms, chest, knees, and legs should be in the mat to come happy puppy pose. Then, release your butt down, giving the weight to your elbows. Come to baby cobra. Again, giving the weight to your elbows. Raise your butt up. Then, move to the baby cobra. Again, move to the happy puppy pose. Quickly changing to both asana. Relax. Go with simple breathing and breath out. Bend your knee. Catch the toes from your palms. While inhaling, raise your upper and lower body to come. Dhanurasana. In here, your abs should on the flow, and other body parts should be up. When you are staying in asana, go with simple breathing and breath out. When you are going to release asana, do inhale, then exhale. While exhaling, relax your total body. Relax. Again, come to upward facing dog. Tuck your toes. Raise your butt up to come downward facing dog. Keep your knee on the floor. Sit on your soles of feet. Then, keep your chest between your palms. Come to Ashtanga Namaskara. Butt down and come to Cobra. Tuck your toes. Come to Parvatasana. Then, move to Sasandasana. Move to Ashtanga, the Cobra. Again, Parvatasana. Try to go with this cycle several times. Then, stay at plank pose. Keep your knee on the mat. Release your right leg. Then quickly move your legs up and down. Then, forward your left arm. Bend your knee and elbows. Then, palms down. Turn your total body forward. Balance your total body. Give in the weight of your palms and toes. If you are confident, raise up your hand towards the sky. Relax. Now, bring your right leg forward. Raise your arms up. Then simply move. Bend your forward knee and go down. Keep your back legs straight. Look forward. Palms down. Raise your left hand towards the sky. Kamsutita Parshavattasana. Look about the left hand. Palms down. Keep your forehead on your right knee. Come, Parshavattasana. Bring your right leg back. Keep your knee on the mat. Straight your left leg back. Then, simply move to up and down. Now, forward your right arm. Then, bend your elbow and knee. Now, keep your palms on the mat. Turn your body to the side. If you are confident, raise your right hand towards the sky. Now, bring your left leg forward. Raise your arms up. Then simply move. Bend your forward knee and go down. Keep your back legs straight. Look forward. Palms down. Raise your right hand towards the sky. Kamsutita Parshavattasana. Palms down. Keep your forehead on your left knee. Bring your left knee back. Come to Parvattasana. Again, come to Chaturanga Dandasana. Then, come to Bhujangasana. Relaxing with Balasana. Now, lay down mat. Keep your palms side on your body. While inhaling, raise your legs up. While exhaling, your legs down. Now, while inhaling, take your legs back and try to touch your toes on the mat. While exhaling, take your legs forward. Keep your elbows supporting your back. And raise your legs towards the sky. Come to Sarvanga Asana. relax. Finally, come to meditation pose Vajrasana. To end today's yoga flow, close your eyes and go with simple breathing and breath out. Ayaboan.